The beauty of neem oil. The name neem has its roots in the Sanskrit word nimba, meaning bestower of good health. It has also been called ravasamba, meaning sun ray-like effects in providing health. Nicknamed the Indian lilac and the margosa tree, and believed to have divine origins, the neem tree is said to have been a safe haven for the sun when, according to Indian mythology, it had to escape from the malicious powers of demons. Another Indian legend tells the tale of how a few drops of amrita, meaning ambrosia or the elixir of immortality, fell onto the neem tree while it was being carried to heaven, thus further establishing its encounter with divinity. It was believed that a person who planted at least 3 neem trees in his or her life would be guaranteed a place in heaven. Considered by the people of India to be sacred, the legendary neem tree has come to symbolize good health and protection. Used in medicine, its remedial properties have strengthened health and boosted immunity. Of all the commercially available neem products, neem carrier oil is said to be the most important for organic farming and medicines. The countless uses of neem carrier oil led to the neem tree receiving the nickname of village pharmacy from the Indians, who traditionally used the oil and the tree's other parts for its natural insect repellent properties as well as to eliminate head lice and dandruff. It could also prevent baldness, slow the graying of hair, soothe skin, remove bacteria, and create skincare products. Many of these uses remain relevant today, making neem carrier oil one of the most popular choices for use in the manufacturing of soaps, cosmetics, and massage oils. The main chemical constituents of neem carrier oil are oleic acid, palmitic acid, stearic acid, linoleic acid, vitamin C, and carotenoids. The uses of neem carrier oil are abundant, ranging from medicinal to cosmetic. Its many forms include oils, gels, lotions, creams, soaps, and shampoos. Used topically, neem carrier oil can soothe red, itchy, inflamed skin associated with ailments like acne, burns, rosacea, eczema, psoriasis, and rashes among others. Neem oil works as a natural substitute for anti-aging products and as a protective agent against skin damage caused by UV rays. It deeply penetrates skin to restore moisture, enhance elasticity, smooth wrinkles, stimulate collagen production, and heal cracks caused by dryness. It reduces skin redness and brings out a healthy glow. Its ability to unclog pores and follicles while soothing irritated skin without leaving a greasy residue makes neem carrier oil an effective agent for acne-prone skin. It prevents future breakouts by eliminating acne-causing bacteria, purging impurities, tightening the pores, and evening out skin tone. By softening the skin to make it supple, it facilitates the healing of scars and reduces their look and feel. Used in hair, neem oil naturally removes dandruff and balances hair's natural pH level, preventing future dandruff. It not only detangles hair, but it prevents hair thinning caused by pollution, stress or medication by promoting the growth of stronger, tamer hair. Regular application of neem oil to the scalp moisturizes hair from root to tip, maintains the health of the scalp, and repairs split ends, which can arrest the development of hair growth and create frizz. Neem carrier oil can rejuvenate and fortify dull, frizzy hair by conditioning it to restore its luster and strength. Used medicinally, neem carrier oil contains components that prevent and eliminate fungal infections. By soothing the irritation and eradicating the bacteria that causes them, neem carrier oil can calm skin ailments such as ringworm, athlete's foot, nail fungus, and cold sores. When applied to minor wounds, neem oil reduces inflammation and facilitates faster healing by increasing blood flow to the area and helping to create collagen fibers, which strengthen, firm, and shape skin. Thank you for watching. If you like to know more on natural carrier oils, you can see the playlist in the description below. Like and comment down below to share your experience using neem oil. Subscribe to our channel for more information and extensive knowledge of natural product ingredients.